The myth versus the reality. Let's start with the myth that's creating a lot of unnecessary fear right now. The myth AI will eventually replace leaders. Here's the reality. AI will not replace leaders, it will expose the ones who lack human skills. AI is going to absorb every task that can be automated, every workflow that can be systematized, every decision that can be optimized. And what's left? What AI cannot touch is the deeply human work of leading people, building trust, navigating conflict, inspiring action, coaching growth. That is your job. And it's about to become more valuable than it has ever been. Think about two types of skills. On one end, task execution, processing information, following steps, producing outputs. AI is absorbing those skills right now. Not someday, now.